Hello, my dear student. Geometry lecture number 10, chapter number 5, coordinate geometry. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from practice sheet 5.2, page number 115. Question number 11. If a minus 14 minus 10, b 6 minus 2, find the coordinates of the points which divides sec AB into 4 equal parts. Okay. Now then try to understand solution. First you draw your figure. A minus 14 minus 10, B 6 minus 2. Then P, Q and R, these 3 points divides this sec AB into 4 equal parts. Means AP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to RB. Okay. Then observe your figure and find the points. As shown in the figure, Q is midpoint of sec AB and therefore by midpoint formula Q is equal to minus 14 plus 6 upon 2 minus 10 minus 2 upon 2 is equal to minus 8 upon 2 minus 12 upon 2 and therefore Q is equal to minus 4 minus 6. Then P is midpoint of AQ and therefore P is equal to minus 14 minus 4 upon 2 minus 10 minus 6 upon 2 is equal to minus 18 upon 2 minus 16 upon 2 and therefore P is equal to minus 9 minus 8. And then finally find the coordinates of R. R is midpoint of sec QB and therefore R is equal to minus 4 plus 6 upon 2 minus 6 minus 2 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 2 minus 8 upon 2. So therefore R is equal to 1 minus 4. Okay. Then next question, question number 12. If A 20 10, B 0 20, then find the coordinates of the points which divides sec AB into 5 equal parts. Okay. Solution. Draw your figure. A 20 10, B 0 20. Then P, Q, R and X make 5 equal parts of AB. Means this part, this part, this part, this part and this part is what equal. Then observe your figure and decide which point first what you have to find. As shown in the figure, Q divides sec AB in the ratio 2:3. This part 2, this part 3. So 2:3. So Q divides AB in the ratio 2:3. Use section formula. And therefore, by section formula, A 20 10, B 0 20, Q you don't know, Q divide sec AB in the ratio 2:3 and therefore Q is equal to 2 into 0 plus 3 into 20 upon 2 plus 3 and 2 into 20 plus 3 into 10 upon 2 plus 3. So this is therefore Q is equal to 60 upon 5, 40 plus 30 upon 5, and therefore Q is equal to 12, 14, and therefore Q is equal to 12, 14. Then find P. P is midpoint of sec AQ, and therefore P is equal to 20 plus 12 upon 2, 10 plus 14 upon 2 is equal to 32 upon 2, 24 upon 2, and therefore P is equal to 16, 12. Then find R. R divides QB in the ratio 1:2, and therefore now this is a Q 12, 14, B 0, 20, R you want divide say QB in the ratio 1:2, and therefore by section formula R is equal to 1 into 0 plus 2 into 12 upon 1 plus 2, 1 into 20 plus 2 into 14 upon 1 plus 2. Simplify. R is equal to 24 upon 3, 20 plus 28 upon 3, and therefore R is equal to 8 upon 8, 16. R is equal to 860. Then find last one point. S is midpoint of RB. So S is equal to 8 plus 0 upon 2, 16 plus 20 upon 2 is equal to 4, 18, and therefore S is equal to 480. Okay. So these examples are what important. Here you have to use section formula and midpoint formula. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any question, put in comment box. Thank you.